Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based smart school attendance system using RFID and GSM modem. So here we are using Arduino Uno R3 and 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, EM18 RFID module, and it comes with two RFID cards, tag 1 and tag 2. It is communicate with serial communication of pin 2 and max 232 IC, and it is communicate with the GSM modem. So here RX, TX, those are connected with 0 and 1. So here we are using two RFID card, student 1, student 2. So here our database is IoT based school attendance system, student name and class and status of the student in and out and date and time. Okay, so main screen. So we can choose the records also, and we can update the records also. We can create the new database, but here we are using only two RFID cards. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using a bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So max 232 IC and GSM SIM 800L we are using. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any company SIM card you can use. So it's a 2G, 3G, 4G. So I am using 4G SIM card. Okay, max 232 IC, RS232 cable and 0 and 1 TX RX pin and VCC ground. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And EM18 125 kHz frequency RFID module I am using. So reset button, Arduino Uno programming, Uno R3 board. So now I am giving the power supply. IoT based smart attendance system. So I'm getting the alerts. Okay, so text message CGATT. So it is sending the GPRS internet command to this GSM modem. Once internet is enabled, the LED blinking starts. Okay, it is taking the internet of the cell phone tower. So show your RFID card. So now I'm going to show the RFID card onto the reader. Student 1 in at school. Okay, yeah, student 1 in at bus. Okay, and it's also updated onto the server. Student 1 third in at a time 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 p.m. Okay, student 2 in at school. Student 2. Okay, and it's updated onto the server also. Yeah, student 2 ninth in time. Okay, and yeah, out. Yeah, student 1 out. Student 2 out at school. Yeah, it's also updated onto the server. Yeah, yeah, so we can increase the cards also. So there is a low memory consumption, we are using 2. If you go for 80 mega 2560, we can use 4 cards, 6 cards, 10 cards, like that we can increase the number of cards. So now we are going to use only 2 cards for the demonstration purpose. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded.